What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using our template of the month and we're going to be making an awesome little Christmas sign. So let's get started. So the template of the month for December of 2022 is a little fat Christmas gnome. My mom picked it. And then we're going to be using our 1.5" fatty font letter number set to do the layout. Now, I already got the layout done, but I'll put a link in the description, and also at the end screen, I'll put a video that kind of gives a better idea of what we do for our layout. So, let's get to carving. So the first bit I started off with was the 60-degree bit. I went right about 3/16 of an inch. I started off on the M because there was a knot right there, and if there's any place that's gonna mess the sign up, it's right there. So it's always better to get the hardest part done with first. That way you don't carve everything and then something bad happens in the hard part. So for the gnome, I used our profile bit. Now some of the lines were a little thicker than others, so all I did was adjust the depth about 1/16 of an inch on those, and it took up all of that space. Then we used our black primer, sprayed the whole thing, gave it about 10-15 minutes to dry, and then we started our sanding. So I started off with the disc sander and using a 60 grit disc to get about 90-95% of the black off, and then I went back with a 120 grit disc on the random orbital to give it a good smooth finish. Then we just put a few coats of the Rust-Oleum clear interior spray finish on there, and it really made the grain pop. And once we painted it and put another clear finish on there, the red and the color on the gnome really came alive. Alright guys, so there it is. It's just a simple, cool little Christmas sign. Mom actually painted the little elf, or gnome, not an elf. Mom painted the little gnome with some acrylic paints. Took her about 5 minutes. And again, we did this with our template of the month and our 1.5" fatty font letters. So I will put a link in the description below for all that stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can email me, ryan@makeawoodsign.com. And don't forget, I will put videos for the layout and all that stuff at the end screen right here, and also in the link, a link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.